Hi, and welcome back to Waiter, There's More. Today, we have a catering assignment, and the lovely people that we're catering for have agreed for us to film their dinner. They'll be having a 3-course dinner, and first up, we'll be setting the table with a tablecloth. And traditionally, when you use a tablecloth, you need to direct the line towards the nearest exit. Okay, that is by tradition. And we're just going to check so we have the same length on all sides. Okay, looks good. And now we'll proceed with the tablecloth that will be on the top layer. And the same goes with this. The line will go towards the nearest exit. Now it's time to polish the cutlery before the guests arrive. So, I have hot water in a plastic container. I have a tray here, so if I accidentally spill water, it'll stay on the tray and not spill on the table. I also have a clean cloth, which I'm going to polish the cutlery with. And I have a plate and a napkin in which I will place the cutlery inside of. Okay, so I am folding it 2 times. Like this. And then I'm folding it this way. I need to first polish all of the cutlery. So I'm starting with the knives. I'm putting them in hot water. These have been pre-washed in a machine, so they are clean, but I'm just making sure that all the fingerprints disappear from the cutlery. So that's why I'm doing that last polishing of the cutlery right now. So the way I'm working is I'm getting everything wet like that, and I'm holding it with one hand, and with the other I'm polishing it all the way, as you can see, and it comes out without fingerprints, and I'm just inserting it there. So I can do quite a large batch, and you can see that I can pick up a lot of speed this way. And now the next part, I'm gonna let them heat up a little bit. The forks are good to go. So this technique is very efficient, and it goes really fast to polish this way. And I think you get the point, so we're just gonna skip the rest of these, and you're gonna see the finished result instead when I set up the table with the cutlery. So I've polished all the cutlery, and now I'm going to set up all the guests' covers. And I'm wearing white gloves, cotton gloves, so that I don't get any fingerprints on the cutlery. So there are 5 guests attending this party. So I have 5 plates here. And I will place the plates first, like this. Okay, and now I'm making sure that there is 1 inch from the edge of the table to the plate. And I can just go around with my thumb, and it's about an inch on each place. There we go. And it's always an inch from the edge of the table to the plate. Get the fork, I'm placing it here. The knife here for the main course, and I'm thinking about an inch there as well from the edge of the table. And 1 inch is usually like a thumb width. And now for the starter. And for the dessert. All the forks, like that. And as I drop them, I more or less get the distance from the table correct the first time. And now I go all the way back. I double check the distance. Now for the starter fork. Now the starter knives. For the bread, I have small plates that I will place there. Actually, this will not fit on this round table, so I'm going to change the positioning to here. To the left of the forks. And now I'll do the butter knives, and the butter knives need to be facing inwards and be placed like so. And this is because you would normally grab your bread with your right hand and you would butter it with your left. Like that. So now we're doing the wine glasses. I'm starting with the red wine glasses because they will be in the center. So it's just easier for me to go off the center first. Make sure your glasses are polished. White wine glasses. And they've also ordered a sparkling white wine to start with. And then last of all, the water glasses. Now this is a round table, so here at the end, it is a bit tight, but we can just move the red wine glasses just a little bit. And we can get a bit more space out of it. I mean, the most important part is that the guest is happy with their experience. Okay, good. So essentially, we've set 5 covers in 5 minutes. Everything was clean. I did polish the cutlery, but that took about a minute. And yeah, we're all done. So the thing is that the guest, they start with the starters on the outside and they work their way inwards. Okay, and the guests are about to arrive. I have a few finishing touches left. I've added a water carafe and 2 candles. I'm waiting with lighting the candles. And the guests have expressed the guests want paper napkins. So I've just folded that in half and I will just place it like so on the plate. And I made sure to wash my hands prior to touching the napkins. All right. And now the guests will be here momentarily. The guests were happy with the dinner. They ate basically everything, and now they're going out to party. And our work here is done. I'm going to clear the plates, fold the tablecloths, and return everything to the rental business. But I want to thank you for watching this episode. If you like our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you have any wishes for upcoming episodes, please leave a few comments in the comment section below and just tell us what you would like to learn about, and we'll do our best to accommodate. Okay, take care. Bye.